Oh, no, it's great, obviously. It's been a year that I think that performance has been building. Haven't had everything our own way the whole year, and I'm just real stoked for the boys that are leaving the club. I think this whole week's been a great preparation. You know, after a disappointing loss against the Blues, I think it sort of shows where, as a club, we're hopefully going forward. But just today, just want to obviously thanks people like Tex and the effort they've put in the club.
A message to the fans who've been faithful throughout the whole season.
Yeah, no, it's obviously it's not easy for a fan, I suppose, to come out every week. It's how do I say? I think it's important that this is rugby, and it's not always easy. So for the people that turned out today, especially, it's a massive thanks. Obviously, we're always trying to play a good game of rugby and a good style of rugby, so it was great to see them out there. So thank you for the people that turned up today.
David, just from my thoughts, I think the forwards worked really hard today. Just your comments.
Yeah, I think the forwards, as you said, worked hard. We worked on our scrums, our mauls, and I think the boys came out and gave it their all today. And I think we beat their forwards. That's why it made it easy for us to play the game.
Some things that you think we did well this week, Coach?
Yeah, well, like Tex said, they've got a great forward pack. Their line-out's outstanding. I thought Tex had a great game on his throwing. Our organisation of their maul, our maul defence, we all know it's been a big work on for us, and I thought Chris Gibbs done a great job with the boys to nullify what is the strength of their game, and that was really good to see. Good to see the boys step up, and I thought young Philip, I thought, was outstanding. He's a young man that we always knew was going to be a talented young player, but he's as a 20-year-old, it's very hard to find rugby for a man that plays only Super Rugby and trains for us. So I was super stoked for that boy. I'm probably a little bit harder on him most of the time, but I just know that he's going to be a quality rugby player for a long time.
Just a comment on how important, just on how important this match is for you and the rest of the boys who will be leaving the club.
Very important. This is how we want to play every week. It doesn't turn out this way, but good way to end the season, especially at home. One more to go. Just looking forward to that last one. Try get our first back-to-back win and our away win. So we're still looking forward to one last one.
It's just the last one. Were you off after the draw?
Nothing set in stone. Tomorrow belongs to God. I'm proud to be here. I'm proud to be on draw, and we'll see. Leave it in God's hand, and we'll see what we have. If you see me here again next year, I'm sorry for the farewell already done, but we'll see.
Coach, do you think your fly half and halfback were able to find good ground with the kicking today?
Yeah, I talk about it every single week. We're sitting here, we've got 20-year-olds running a Super Rugby team, and that you look at every other team in this competition, their fly half and their 9 experienced test players. We've got young kids came on playing, and every week, the loss of Frank Lamani, I think, has been immense for what happened this year around his shoulder surgery. So it's to have someone like Philip running around. Is he stepping in? Obviously, we wanted Kimu to play 10 this week, but had a quad injury, so we had to bring in Izzy late from 15, and then Caleb came on and finished the game pretty well.
And how does it feel just to maintain this winning streak here in Otago?
Yeah, well, I love Lautoka. The boys love Lautoka. It's obviously we play in Fiji, and everything's about playing in Fiji, but Lautoka's our genuine home, I think, and we need to spread the love, which is super important. But as a club, I think it's pretty easy to spend our night in our own bed and have our preparation that we do. And it was great to be back here.
Jacob, given the dominant performance today, the result today, was it the 8 talk in the week about the game in Perth and how you want to do, get one over the text, but maybe you?
Yeah, there was a lot of talk about that. They dominated us in Perth, and we wanted to pay back today, especially the forward pack. I think the forward pack stood up this today and stood up to the forward pack. So just proud of the boys for how they came in and worked so hard to get that win.
Glenn, what's the program for the next 2 weeks?
The boys are well deserved. A couple of days off. Then we've got back on Friday and Saturday. We've got our end of year awards dinner, which will be a great occasion for everyone involved. That's had a year that I think personally I've loved every moment of what the boys have brought. We're a very tight rugby club. I know not everything's gone the way outside of this rugby club, but in terms of inside the rugby club, I think we've done a great job of staying tight. I get the fans aren't happy with the results, but yeah, and they're probably sick and tired of hearing me about how young we are and how inexperienced we are, but that's life of where we're at. So very motivated to finish well today, especially. I think it's our probably first bonus point, is it?
It is the season.
Yeah.
9th straight in a row.
Yeah, so I think, to defend as well as we did, and both open play and also defensively with our mauls and lineouts was outstanding. And then we go to Queensland, and we love playing the Reds. I will say it again, Les Kiss was unbelievable, and his team in defeat here in Suva, and we're looking forward to finishing the year well and showing this country that this is a very good rugby team.
What kind of challenge would the Reds pose as they are in the hunt for top 4 finish? And obviously trying to get one back on the floor.
Oh no! Look, it's the challenge is Super Rugby. The challenge, it doesn't matter what side it is. Who's going to know? They've got another game, then we've got to buy, and it's like this competition's so tight. We're going to finish hopefully, probably only 2 points below where we were last year, and that just shows it. So 2 years ago we were in the top 8. This year you're not, and that's the state of the competition. I love it. I think it's good. It's the top 6 need to be the top 6, and we've been the last 2 years very lucky to be in the quarters, but I think the way the situation is that you need to win enough games to go on to those quarters. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to a bit of time off, celebrate these guys, and then head to the Queensland.
Because just the last one, with the chemistry between Barcelona and Arsenal Bulla, will we get a chance to run up together again against the Reds?
I couldn't even tell you tomorrow, let alone 14 days. So yeah. Look, they're the future of the club. It'd be nice to say they're the future of the club in 6 years' time. That's when a 9 and 10 actually hit their peak as 26 years old. And again, I say it every week, we've got 20-year-olds running around. So if we can look after these boys and grow the spine of our team of the people that show excellence on and off the field, when you're talking about 2 20-year-olds running around directing a rugby team, I just want to make sure the fans understand that, and we're here for a long time, and we're building to be a great club, and that's extremely important, not only for Tex, who's obviously led us extremely well this year, but to also anyone else that's going to put on the Drua jersey.
Takes the message to the fans in Fiji, please.
We came in and we took on we took on Signiqua, we came in Merara, Jenny Singini. Todo sarana bagengo era ni mesin ni chicken stadium dan akan itu pun nak kami kita na sarang kita tumai kita nomini bina valeu total na gitu sebo me Queensland.